The Prometheus Protocol. How fire rewrote human DNA. Picture this. Somewhere in the Ethiopian highlands, 1.8 million years ago, a small band of early humans huddles around something that would literally transform their species forever. Not a new tool, not a discovery of food, but dancing flames that would rewrite the very code of human evolution in ways so profound that we are still uncovering the secrets today. This isn't just another story about cavemen discovering fire. This is the untold conspiracy of how flame became humanity's ultimate evolutionary hacker, and why some scientists now believe that without fire, you wouldn't be reading these words right now. The Great Calorie Conspiracy. Here's what your history textbooks never told you. Fire didn't just help humans survive, it fundamentally altered our biology in ways that seem almost too incredible to believe. The smoking gun? Our stomachs. Every other primate on Earth dedicates roughly 60% of their day to chewing. Gorillas spend 8 hours grinding through tough, fibrous plants. Chimpanzees work their jaws for 6 hours daily. But humans? We spend less than an hour eating each day. The reason lies in a biological revolution that began when our ancestors first cooked their food. Raw meat and vegetables require enormous amounts of energy to digest. Your digestive system burns roughly 20% of your daily calories just breaking down food, and that's with cooked meals. Imagine the caloric cost of processing raw roots, tough leaves, and uncooked meat. Early humans were trapped in an evolutionary dead end. They needed bigger brains to survive, but bigger brains demanded more energy, which required better food processing, which needed larger digestive systems, creating a biological catch-22 that seemed impossible to solve. Enter fire, humanity's first biotechnology. The gut-brain revolution. Archaeological evidence from sites like Wonderwork Cave in South Africa reveals that our ancestors were systematically using fire over 1 million years ago. But here's where the story gets truly fascinating. As cooking became widespread, something unprecedented happened in human evolution. Our digestive systems began shrinking. Dr. Richard Wrangham of Harvard University uncovered what might be evolution's greatest trade-off. As our guts got smaller, our brains exploded in size. Cooking essentially outsourced digestion to fire, freeing up massive amounts of metabolic energy. The calories once locked away in maintaining enormous digestive systems could now fuel the most energy-hungry organ in the animal kingdom, the human brain. This wasn't gradual adaptation. Archaeological evidence suggests this transformation happened with startling speed in evolutionary terms. Within a few 100,000 years, human brain size nearly tripled. Fire had effectively hacked natural selection itself. The social spark. But fire's evolutionary influence extended far beyond biology into the very foundations of human society. Around a fire, something magical happened that no other species had experienced: the birth of extended social time. Before fire, human activity followed the same rhythm as every other animal: active during daylight, dormant after dark. Fire changed everything. Suddenly, humans had safe, warm, illuminated spaces that extended the social day by hours. Archaeological evidence from sites like Qesem Cave in Israel shows organized hearths from 400,000 years ago, complete with evidence of systematic food preparation and tool maintenance after dark. This wasn't just convenient, it was revolutionary. Extended social time around fires created the perfect conditions for language development, storytelling, and complex planning. Anthropologists now believe that fire-centered gatherings were humanity's first classrooms, where knowledge passed between generations in ways impossible for any other species. The protein plot. Twist. Recent discoveries have revealed another stunning connection between fire and human evolution: the Great Protein Liberation. Raw meat, while nutritious, is incredibly difficult for humans to digest safely. Parasites, bacteria, and tough proteins make uncooked animal products a dangerous gamble. Fire transformed this evolutionary minefield into humanity's secret weapon. Cooking meat not only eliminated deadly pathogens, but broke down complex proteins into easily absorbed amino acids. Suddenly, humans could extract maximum nutrition from smaller amounts of food, while spending dramatically less time and energy in the dangerous pursuit of large game. But here's the twist that changes everything we thought we knew about early human society. Evidence from sites like Schöningen in Germany reveals that systematic cooking coincided with the first appearance of sophisticated hunting weapons. Fire didn't just help humans eat meat, it enabled the collaborative hunting strategies that provided it. The hormonal hijack. Perhaps fire's most hidden evolutionary impact involves human hormones and reproduction. Cooking dramatically improved nutrition absorption, which directly influenced human fertility and child development. Well-nourished mothers could support larger-brained babies through longer pregnancies and extended childcare periods. Meanwhile, the warmth and safety of fire-controlled environments reduced stress hormones that inhibit reproduction. Archaeological evidence suggests that human population growth accelerated dramatically wherever controlled fire use appeared, a correlation too strong to ignore. Fire essentially created the first human population boom, providing the demographic foundation for our species' eventual global expansion. The geographic gambit fire's ultimate evolutionary gift was geographic liberation. While other human species remained trapped in Africa's warm climates, fire-wielding Homo sapiens could survive anywhere. The archaeological record shows a clear pattern. Controlled fire use preceded human expansion into every new climate zone. From the frozen mammoth steppes of Siberia to the temperate forests of Europe, fire made the impossible habitable. This wasn't just survival, it was evolutionary acceleration. Each new environment presented fresh challenges that drove rapid adaptation and innovation. The modern mystery. Today's neuroscientists have discovered something remarkable. Human brains still show specific adaptations to cooked food. We process the sight and smell of cooking differently than any other stimulus, with dedicated neural pathways that suggest millions of years of evolutionary optimization. Even more intriguing, recent genetic studies have identified mutations in human digestive enzymes that appear precisely when archaeological evidence shows widespread cooking adoption. Fire didn't just change human culture, it literally rewrote our DNA. The next time you strike a match or turn on a stove, remember, you're activating the same force that transformed an unremarkable African primate into the planet's dominant species. Fire wasn't just humanity's first tool, it was evolution's most radical experiment, with results still unfolding today. In the end, we didn't just discover fire. Fire discovered us, recognized our potential, and decided to rewrite the rules of life itself. The partnership continues, as transformative now as it was 1.8 million years ago, when that first spark ignited not just flame but the future of human consciousness.